Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Rainbow Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's Dotticure, we're going to be using some colors from the Holo Taco Coast Cremes collection, which I did receive as PR. The pink is Boardwalk Behavior. The orange is Summer Scandal. The gold is Creamsicle Coast. The green is Saltwater Taffy. The teal is Peer Pressure. The blue is Midnight Marina, and the purple is Dockside Drama. I'm going to be using Not Milky White, topped with Milky White Shimmer as my base for the Dotticure, and I'll be using a selection of the creams as skittles on the rest of the nails. I'm going to be using a stamper head to lay out the Dotticure. I find that just a little bit easier and a little nicer of result. And I've also got a small lid here that I'm going to be using to put my polish out on. I'm going to be using 2 or maybe 3 sizes of daughters, and I'm just going to be trying to size it to about the length of my nail. To apply these Dotticure stamps, I'm going to use just a little bit of long-lasting base for a tacky layer. I'm going to wipe the brush mostly off and then cover the surface of the nail. Give it just a few seconds to dry, and then I'll be stamping on the dots. just going to do a second round of cleanup to get any polka dots that are hanging off the edge with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I've completed the cleanup, I'm going to finish off the manicure with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. As I mentioned, I did receive this collection as PR, and while I didn't manage to fit all 8 colors in, 7 is pretty close. If you'd like to see my first impressions of the entire collection, as well as the testing for this manicure, that's up now over on the VOD channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.